How to find a cave in Lego Fortnite. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to find a cave in Lego Fortnite. You can only find caves in the grasslands, frostlands, and dry valley biomes in Lego Fortnite. They look like giant rocks with an opening from the outside and spiral inwards to reveal the cave inside. The best way to locate a cave is to find a high point in the biome or construct a logged lookout to get up high and scan the surrounding area. Once you've located a cave, you'll be able to identify it on your map by the cave icon. It looks like a triangle with a hole in it. Of course, if you spotted a cave from afar, you can always mark it on your map. Simply open the build menu and craft a map marker for 2 granite. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.